All that you need to know about baby spit up. Motherhood is beautiful. Well, until your baby starts to spit up. Think about it. You just finish feeding your baby and suddenly you hear the noise. It's the noise you will start to detest. Baby spit up is anything but positive. But don't start fretting. All babies spit up. There is nothing wrong with your little one. We understand your concern. You may think that your baby isn't getting enough food or is sick. And let's be honest, even though motherhood is a beautiful and wholesome journey, everyone dreads the cleaning spit up part from the carpet and clothes. However, don't be disheartened or feel helpless. The Voice of Woman has come to the rescue. In today's video, we have talked about everything you need to know about baby spit up. What is baby spit up? It is actually quite normal for all babies to spit up breast milk or formula once in a while. Usually, baby spit up is a sudden and smooth flow of liquids that occurs during or shortly after the feeding session. Even though baby spit up can seem like a large amount of liquid, it is normally not associated with any health conditions, including weight loss. Spit up is common in infants. But in some cases, babies can develop gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is GERD. If your infant has developed GERD, common symptoms will include: number 1, poor weight gain or considerable weight loss. Number 2, choking on the spit up after it is released. Number 3, a cranky and uncomfortable baby due to heartburn or painful reflex. If you notice any of these alarming signs of GERD, it's time to take your little one to the pediatric doctor. How can you tell from baby spit up and vomiting? This is a frequently asked question by new parents. It can be hard to make the call when you can't determine if it just spit up or vomits. But there are several distinguishing factors that can help you decide. First of all, spit up is common in the first year of life. It usually strikes quietly and there is no discomfort associated with spit up. On the other hand, vomiting is always a symptom of a related illness, which could be fever or diarrhea. Besides, vomiting includes a retching noise and will have a greenish color because of the bile. What causes babies to spit up? Before you get all worked up, remember that baby spit up is just another developmental milestone that comes with bringing up your baby. Dealing with spit up is just like teaching your baby tummy time, learning how to walk or sit, etc. In your tiny one, there is a muscle situated between the esophagus and the stomach which keeps the food and liquids in the place where it belongs. This muscle matures in the first year of life. So, until this muscle has matured, baby spit up is common. Thus, there is nothing to worry about as spitting up is normal till your little one's first birthday. Other causes of spit up may include: number 1, overstimulation or baby tiredness caused by excessive playing around like bouncing and tummy time. Number 2, aerophagia or the condition where your baby inhales air in greater quantities than usual. Another common cause can include pyloric stenosis. Pyloric stenosis usually occurs within the first few months of your baby being born. This condition includes intense muscle contractions that occur after feedings. This can result in projectile vomiting. Babies who suffer from pyloric stenosis are often hungry after spitting up. This can be cured with easy surgery. Again, if your baby is showing signs of pyloric stenosis, it is time for a visit to the doctor's clinic. When is spit up a problem? As we said, baby spit up is usually a common occurrence in babies under the age of 1 year. And it's normal for you to wonder what's up with your baby. Fortunately, if your baby spits up without any accompanying symptoms, you are in the clear. But if spit up is accompanied by symptoms like the following, it's time to go to the doctor. Number 1, seems fussy and cranky due to discomfort. Number 2, baby spit up comes in a variety of colors: pink, red, greenish bile or deep yellow, and textures. Number 3, unexplained weight loss. Tips on baby spit up. Now that we have covered why baby spit up occurs, here are some tips for you on how to deal with baby spit up. Try smaller feeds. If you are feeding with the bottle, reduce the amount of breast milk or formula offered at one time. And if you are breastfeeding, consider feeding through only one breast at a time and pumping out the other for later. Keep your baby upright for about half an hour following the feeding session to avoid spit up. Avoid any bouncing or any kind of movements. Avoid tight clothes and diapers after the feeding session. Your baby shouldn't feel restricted. Don't add solids to your little one's feeding bottle unless advised by the pediatric doctor. You can try pacing the feeding session or taking frequent breaks and trying to make your baby burp. Don't put your baby to sleep on its stomach. If your baby spits up but doesn't seem uncomfortable or loses weight, there is no need to worry about it. We understand that it can be frustrating to hear the spit up noise, but look at it as a natural part of your baby growing up. Baby spit up is messy, but usually not a cause for concern. So, take a chill pill. Remember, you're not alone. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel. For more content, visit our website www.thevoiceofwoman.com. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and let your voice be heard.